Vlogmas sounds like a playground for vloggers, right? But guess what? Even if you're not a vlogger, you can rock Vlogmas like a pro. Whether you are a beginner or someone who doesn't vlog often, this guide will show you 13 actionable ways to tackle Vlogmas successfully. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's start with channel description. What is your channel description? If you have forgotten, go back and look at it. When you created your channel, what was the goal? I am sure by now that you have gotten the answer to those questions. So go ahead and create videos in line with the goal of your channel. However, go ahead and add hashtag Vlogmas to every content that you are creating in this season, because we are already in December, except you're living in a country that you're no longer in this time frame. But if you are, then you are creating content in December. Therefore, every content that you create during this season, it is tagged Vlogmas. I mean, Vlogmas is just a trend, so go ahead and do it your own way. Follow the star. I call this point follow the star because I am relating it to the story of the three wise men. When they saw the star, what did they do? They followed the star. Why? They were looking for the baby. And today, you have seen the star. What is the star? Vlogmas. So, follow the star down to your niche. Find that thing that is trending within your niche within this season and create videos around it. If you are in the cooking niche, there are some type of food that people eat during this season. If you are in the knitting niche, there are some type of clothing that people wear during this season. If you are in the science and technology niche, there are gadgets people are using during this season. If you are in the health niche, there are some kind of diseases that people are prone to contact during this season. So get a pen and a paper and do your research. Create those videos that are around this topic, and then by so doing, you will already be creating content within Vlogmas. Why? Because they are happening, all of these things are happening within this season. Use long tail keywords and Vlogmas-specific hashtags. The reason why you are doing this is just so that you can maximize your visibility, increase your discoverability by focusing on long tail keywords like best clothing for the season, Vlogmas, Vlogmas ideas for non-vloggers, or best tech gadget for Vlogmas videos for beginners during festive periods. Don't forget to pair some of these long tail keywords with appropriate hashtags. You can equally use hashtags like Vlogmas Day 1, Vlogmas 2024, Christmas content, and so on and so forth. And by so doing, you'll be targeting the right audience and then boost your own views. Plan your content in advance. I was listening to one current YouTuber, I've forgotten her name right now, but then she was also talking about how much she actually took her time to write down video topics. She planned her content ahead. And when you're doing this kind of thing during this season, preparation is key. So spend time listing 25 to 30 Vlogmas video ideas that you can batch create. Themes like holiday DIYs, recipe for the season, or don't eat this type of food during this season Vlogmas. These are some of the long tail keywords that you can use, and they will be very, very much appropriate. So if you take your time and do this list, it is going to help you a very, very long way. So take your time and create a very, very long list. You can go from 25 to 50, do you understand? And go ahead and batch create. It can help you stay ahead of your content strategy or content creating game. You can start with short snackable videos. If you're not ready to start creating content daily, start small. Post short form content like YouTube shorts showing Christmas outfit ideas or holiday life hacks or DIYs. These can help you so much. And as helpful as this is, not everyone likes to jump into short. So if short content creation is not your thing, well, maybe you can just skip that point. You can also repurpose your existing content. For Vlogmas content, you don't have to start from the scratch. You can use old clips, pictures or footage from previous holidays to create a video grid or maybe a throwback Vlogmas episode. So go ahead and just, think outside the box. What is it that you have done before that you can just leverage upon, carry it, bring it into Vlogmas and just start to create those content, except you do not like the quality of what you have previously. Then you can now create new content in this season. If you are a vlogger, focus on relatable themes. If you are not a traveling vlogger, no problem. I remember a friend of mine just left her house, she and her husband, to go fill their gas cylinder, and she recorded all of the process, all of it. She had it all recorded, right from when they left the house, when they were in the vehicle, to when they got to the filling station. She recorded everything, and trust me, that is Vlogmas. That is vlogging in its simplest form. You do not have to travel. Everyday moments like decorating your home, shopping for Christmas, or wrapping Christmas gifts resonate with a lot of viewers who are looking for real life inspiration or real life experience. So go ahead and film your Vlogmas videos around your home. Show us what is on your street. Show us what is in the shopping mall around your neighborhood. Let us see what is around your country. You can show us all of those places. Where are those parks? Those places that people go to hang out. Record all of those things. That is, if at all you are not a traveling vlogger, you can look into that. Collaborate with friends or fellow creators. You can team up with someone who vlogs. That is, if at all you're not a vlogger, but you want to actually dive into that vlogging space, even if it's virtually. I mean, Zoom has made a lot of things easy right now. So collaboration boosts engagement and brings new viewers to your channel. And you can also title this kind of vlogs as Vlogmas video with a friend from another country, or Vlogmas video from a sister from another mother, a brother from another country. All of these things, a lot of people would even like to watch it. Most especially when you put the name of the country there. It could be UK, it could be China, it could be Hong Kong, it could be US, any one of those countries of your choice. You can just collaborate with someone from there and actually title it that way, and this is actually going to get a lot of views too. Share behind the scenes of your content. People love authenticity. Show how you are preparing for Vlogmas or your funny bloopers when you are filming. For someone like me, I do a lot of mistakes because I kind of talk fast, so sometimes I commit a lot of blunders when I am recording. Well, I have not really taken my time to put all of those things together, but I am giving you the hint right now. You can put all of your bloopers together. You can show how your behind the scenes, how you actually prepare to actually create content for Vlogmas. It is awesome content ideas for people to see. I remember it was just yesterday when another YouTube friend of mine, she goes by the name Chiamaka. Maybe I'll try to link her channel on the screen right now. She was actually doing an unboxing of the gadgets that she got from the money that she made from YouTube, and videos like that can be encouraging for upcoming content creators who actually want to dive into content creation, most especially on the YouTube space, just so that they can see that this content creation on YouTube is actually worth it. Do you understand? So content like that can actually help a lot of people, most especially for people like us who are still upcoming, who actually want to know, is this thing truly worth it? Is it worth the while? Is it worth my time? And for some people who actually want to quit their job and actually jump into content creation, showing behind the scenes or unboxing can actually help them. You get? You can also leverage signature look or style. I mean, during this season, you can stand out by adding a personal twist, like maybe wearing a nose mask or wearing a festive heart, or one of those things that are related to the season. Or maybe you can even put a Christmas tree in the background of your video. That kind of thing can actually be very, very unique, and it can actually serve as something that makes your content very, very memorable. Use Vlogmas challenges. Remember, Vlogmas is a trend, so if you can sing, or if you're someone that likes to just play around with music, right, you can participate in trending Vlogmas challenges like Christmas lip sync along or Christmas carol hymns. It's a great way to attract viewers interested in specific format, and you can now go to the short section and check for this kind of trends, because a lot of it are there, and you know how short are. It can actually blow your channel up, bring new people to your channel. Optimize your video titles and thumbnails. Titles like "How I Survive Vlogmas as a Non-Vlogger" and eye-catching thumbnails with Christmas colors, drawings, Christmas tree, all of those boxes, those wrapped boxes can draw a lot of clicks. So just keep them festive but simple. Do not forget to engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Respond to comments. There are some content creators, when I go to their comment section, I'll be like, this one, you've not even gone far yet and you are finding it difficult to respond to comments. Respond to comments, create polls, and ask viewers content ideas. For someone like me, I'm not getting those kind of viewers that I can ask them for content ideas and all that, because it doesn't work for me. Maybe it can work for you, so you can actually go ahead and ask your audience what kind of content are they expecting, or do they intend that you create. I mean, ask them what is their challenge. If you are the kind of content that creates a educational content or how to on YouTube, just like my channel, you can actually ask your audience what is it that they're having a challenge with, so that you can create content for them in this season. This keeps your community engaged and makes your channel feel interactive. Celebrate small wins. You don't have to post daily to win Vlogmas. And remember, it is not a competition, it is a trend. I remember one of my friends was telling me that she skipped day 2 or she skipped day 1 or something. It is not a competition, it is a trend. It is a season of celebration. You can see it as a time for you to, count your blessings, and also knowing that for you to have made it this far as a content creator, for you to have made it this far in this year, then you are winning. That you have grown and that you are still growing. Even uploading 10 to 15 videos consistently during this December can also grow your channel. So you don't necessarily have to post every day to the 25th of December. No, remember, it is not a competition. And to avoid burnout, you don't have to post basically every day. And not every type of content can even warrant you that time for you to create consecutively every day and post from day 1 to day 25, or post from now to the end of the year. So celebrate your milestones and share your experience at the end of the season. I am going to actually take my time to do so. So this is the time where people are going to be sharing their new year, new me, what their experiences that they've, how much of experience that they've acquired during this season. So go ahead and share all of that. It is just a season to be thankful. So can a non-vlogger really do Vlogmas? Absolutely. With these tips, I am sure that you will be able to crush Vlogmas like a pro. So go ahead and share with your audience every one of these things that I have said in this video, because you've got everything you need to crush it this season. So click on the video right now on the screen, because that is the video that YouTube thinks you should watch next.